Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon printer to Android phone step by step clearly. To connect your Canon printer to your Android phone, start by ensuring your printer is powered on. Next, make sure your Android phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Canon printer. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for the Canon Print app and install it. Once the app is installed, open it from your app drawer. You may be prompted to accept terms and conditions. Go ahead and agree to them. After accepting, you'll see a screen that displays nearby printers. Select your Canon printer from the list shown. If your printer doesn't appear, tap the refresh icon to search again. Once selected, the app may require you to confirm the connection. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password for the network. After successful connection, navigate to the content you want to print on your Android phone. Tap the share icon or the print option, usually found in the apps menu. Select print from the options that appear. Choose your Canon printer from the list if it's not already selected. Adjust any print settings according to your preference. Finally, tap the print button to start printing. Wait for the printing process to complete, and collect your document from the printer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.